hello guys, I know it is a lamsawa on YouTube channel. Kenro tinni tam topic to Simon Thangkha as you have seen in my thumbnail and title. So ang ngong bai kaisa thaise thani kok sanamusum. Belake sok ni kok haise because o dunia o tongoi tam dong na tongoi sinu. In this generation, in this Gen Zs ro asuk ani modita je okara rok masuk niyaku bahai ke nijini bosano phalai mangka khoroksa Sima Jamatia Kaizakha and then Srayengkha 1.5 bosorong khana I guess bin sala bini bosai eba Srayni bufa I had that drug sapo and then center of sala ঠিক আছে বসাইবা center ong kheba bini mind confusion kubang mangai mano depression ngai mano eba kubang ma tension tong ngai mano hadiba but nijini bosai drugs and then center ong kheba kubang ma depression to phayuna o solution bahai ke solve phlainai obviously one sungna nang khoroksa bosawo 1.5 bosor ni sarai tongo but bole kaham samung eba o solving no yakaroi tekoni boni jise hamia khai ngai thango what was that nijini bosano 25,000 by phalai se Alka sala by Kharui thango o belake shocking ni kokai se ani jibono ang duibar nokha bosa phalmani duibar obri be duibar mo Sima Jamatia by duibar nokha do live ni ang bosa phalmarok obo by duibar nokha Alka sala by Kharui kharna bagi se bo nijini bosano 25,000 by phalo te bini berini bufa je sorry berini buma jemon Sima Jamatia ni buma tesa obini busukno jemon Sima Jamatia ni busajogno 30,000 by surok manayu obatam ren haida klaimangka belake one of sing jahisi so naidi 1.5 year ro you know what srai ro maisana rengkha himna mang himui mankha so amse khasijak bonugui tong bin ma sabo bin baba sabo bin nana sabo omse khasijak no bahai ke nijini bosano bo mindset bo buti asuda mindset by nang nijini bosano phalai mangka ba nadi nini ma nono 9 month bohogo toni we nono pori rikha torika log rikha nin ma nono busu kahab gam khrang kana nadi wansung nadi ang video ni through tin no khadet secret life there you no goikha agi srai probo hostel tom probo gobangma bar bin mano opmani khapu I'm so stupid girl nang I'm so stupid nini ma nono busu cost ke pori ton mani okay whatever nang kaizakha nini ma nono kai rikha but at least kaizak pai phano nang khasina nang mani ta because now you have a kid bai ke nang nini busano phalai mangka obviously question phayo trai ro srai 16 17 khan kaizak wayo khalayo tongna riya omni bagino sok payaro and who's that stupid boy I'm so goda burimalia nang bu basa ganang no tlangai ma kharka ba and o Sima Jamatia nang busu guarantee riyo man that nini basai eba nang Kharui thamani sola bonono thiasak logiri wana hnai naidi jefro nin rang payo nang kipili ro hojanai nini basai bai just sit bo bahai mindset bai nang ba nijini bosano phalai maka nang nini bosano 9 month toni kha naidi busu cost ka 9 month toni kana you know that and nang niji siwi tong you can legally sell your daughter nang niji siu but how can you sell your daughter nin thani overall kisaphan mindset krida ls I don't know nang bas graduate I don't know your graduation or not but by seeing your face I don't think that you have completed your graduation might be you are 9 or 10 okay whatever nang 9 by 10 dora pori phano ton nang something to nang aro knowledge hapna blena but bo hai knowledge be nang bo hai mindset be nang ni basajak no amsuk sarai kaham amsuk buri kaham nang bahai ke phalai mangkha tomung sitra tongna bagai se nijini bosano phalmano what the fuck man you people so why it was happen you know people are getting married at the age of 16 17 what the fuck man you guys are getting married at the age of 16 17 nowadays are 16 17 it's a time to get knowledge to learn something for education But I have seen many people are getting married at the age of 16, 17. What the fuck? You guys are not even mature, man. Omoni bagino, borok, even selapan tun, berifan tun, masaway tomay hasi. Even in my family, in my relatives, I don't want to mention their name. They are getting married at the age of 17, I guess, if I am not wrong. So, getting married at the age of 16, 17, what will you get, man, bro? Your mind is still, you are a kid, man. And myself, I'm 22 right now. And myself, I'm enjoying my college life. Yeah, you can enjoy at the age of 16, 17. Enjoy with your classmate, with your mate. This is the time for education, to learn something. But you guys are getting married at the age of 16, 17. Fuck, man, fuck you people. And norok saima na itonga. Serai kai jaglayo. Bersama samang nengke Alka selawe khalayo. Especially norok nugui tong social media o Bangalore eba Hyderabad o khalai mani. Bersama san buma eba selasikla. Bersama san bupabai bersama neni buma. This and that whatever. So norok nugui tong na. So ani request ka obo no. Please child marriage rok tak pai di. Obo hai borok rong no khalayo bisi. Child marriage khlai nai rong. Because sikla zora borok all life no tos tong thoya student life eba college life tam na hin borok si aku so sina nai di enjoy khlai di school life sip tong thok at least graduation pan pai di and not one of that. What will you get after your graduation? Nothing you'll get. Are bro awani ni skill os depend khlai bakha ba koine ma please child marriage stop khlai di kabang borong no besamang nei masa this and that khalayo what man, what will you get? Fuck man, you people, nothing you'll get. Just nongna rang phalai jadi nongna rang lo nai khanai rok besa phalai janai rok buni thani ren eba rang rok na oi khata thana rok. Are what will you get with that money? Nothing you'll get. The thing is nongni tong thomong pai yo arang bai norok tong thomong khlai mano but nor orang pai ka kete se ki phili jabo eba back lai ho jabo. Remember that buri rok ang sana mazungo joto buri no saya ang je khari tongnai rong sao khari tongnai bersama samang ni buma rok khari tongnai eba selarong bosau. Please oba herong no yaka de oba herong bai ang no request khlayo please ni basa eba bihik bai kaham ke tongdi bunyo luk ta thangdi kaham kar ke tongai di ni basa bai ke better education ina nai di and Sima Jamatia na sana mazung ni basai already sibo center sogija so nang saisong. Yes, I know. So nang abono bahai ke self defense khlai bahai ke ni basano education ni nai bahai ke tori nai lok ni nai obviously one song na nangmani bele nang ba. Instead of that you are running with someone and ni tawhon ji sok pa ko. So as a sister Sima Jamatia, might be you are elder than me or younger than me, whatever. So as a sister, ang no koina mo please come back. Pesa ni kaham no khong khlai di mistake to ni ngai mano jot to borong no mistake layo kebo ang mistake khlai ngai ni manya jot no mistake layo. So forgive jot ni thani no tongo. So phaidi kivil phaidi ni basa jeng no kaham kan kai to ni di naikol di kaham education di so that bobini future ro kaham ngai man ton. As a sister ang no koina mo please nang obai mistake like next time don't repeat that. Therefore please come back ang no sana mo sister Sima Jamatia and lokorong no ang koina mo please obai rok yakadi obai sin society o khapia. So please obai rok tang bai di 25,000 bai basano phalo kuno kok da wana ma singsa like dukhuni kok ni manu sing borok tamong thamai ka bo hai. So ang request klai na mo sister Sima Jamatia no please come back to your home and kaham kerem tong lai di ni basa hamiang ngai tong hake nung phurung di ni hamiang ngai tong hake ni basai phurung nai eba ni parents phurung nai. So please ni parents ni bakhanam ta sabai di ni basa tong already sinin basa 13 bosor ngjak. So please bini bakhano tas sabai di nang kaham kereng naikol di kaham kereng education ni di. So abo na ani sana musung please